We are entering the Runge Conservation Nature Center. There is a map for us. We're gonna go inside the building and hopefully get one of these maps. Yeah, 3/10 of a mile. So we're here, and this blue one's only 3/10 of a mile. There's a formal garden. 3/10 of a mile this way, I guess.
Yes.
This one, well, that's 1/10 of a mile.
Tower.
Oh, there's the fire
to
tower. Yeah, we want to go there.
That's that way.
But we don't want to do this whole yellow
go to
one.
the fire.
There's a green one that's a half a mile. Towering oak. Main entrance. Oh, there's a big turtle. He has to have his picture taken with the turtle.
You gotta be the ninja.
Wait a minute, I gotta get the good view.
Turtle, ninja, turtle.
Yeah, that's like bronze wildlife. There's a alligator snapping turtle in here. Do you see him? His tail is there. His head is there. All my favorite kinds of birds. Suspended fisher. Fish. They're not moving. This is amazing for children. If you've got children, yeah, look at this. So we're coming out of the back side of the conservation building to do this trail the backwards way. Formal garden is right around the corner. Raccoon Run and Towering Oak Trail are down that way. Blue Stem Ridge Trail, I think, is this way. Let's see. Came out of the back of the building. We're gonna go through the formal garden. This is the Naturescape Trail. Yes. Then we're gonna go over to the fire tower and climb it before we end because my feet hurt. So you can go this way, Raccoon Run, or this way, Towering Oak, if you go down that way. We're gonna do the Naturescape, which is 3/10 of a mile. I think I can do that. It even says Naturescape. I kind of think I already have a Naturescape in my backyard.
Yeah.
This, I see a yellow flower. I know what that is. I can't think of what it is. So we have your common milkweed, attracting all sorts of aphids.
Yeah.
Here's some more milkweed.
Hopefully butterflies.
For the monarch butterflies.
Yeah.
Hummingbird garden.
What is this? Is that...
Downy skullcap. I guess that's this one. Royal catchfly. A lot of things are not blooming. Here's some more milkweed. It says Royal catchfly. Here's some more milkweed. It's pretty tall. That's done blooming. This says Wild Sweet William. Well, I know that's done blooming. There's a coneflower. Sort of phlox there. Here's some black-eyed Susan over here. Oh, here is crested iris. I want to get some of those. Wild bergamot, which is bee balm. That's what all that is, done blooming. Compass plant.
Cover.
You just put your head in my video. Compass plant. And it has these flowers here. They're so funny. This says it's a false sunflower, and we have false sunflower in our yard, but this must be a different variety. It's close to it. So I guess we'll head on out down the trail. So it's August 9th, our 38th anniversary. We're just hanging out in Jefferson City and taking a stroll, and I can't believe it's like 78 degrees out here. Perfect weather. Perfect weather. In the beginning of August. Just last week we almost couldn't stand it. It's so peaceful. It says just add water. Songbirds love it. I like the purple spikes.
That's very cool.
Coming out of the water. Some prairie grasses. A butterfly. Oh, he went in front of me. We have some of these in our yard. The drooping coneflower. Can't remember what they're called. Yep. Now we get to walk through the pines. I like that everything is so close and you get to experience so many different environments. It says it's a climbing area for kids or old adults that have energy. You're going in? No, he's not the photographer. That's my camera.
I'm not the photographer. I'm the U-totem.
He's the U-totem. And the kid that never grows up. Do it, do it, do it.
Oh, they wobble.
Ah, they wobble.
Yeah, it made me wobble.
Weebles wobble, but they don't fall down.
I feel like I'm watching
Now you got to do your champion sign.
a champion.
Put your arms up like a champion, like Rocky. Yay! Play some more?
Oh yeah. Why miss an opportunity? This has been handled a few times.
It's called the building area.
In order to build the new, we have to tear down the old.
You didn't do a very good job.
Look at me.
I'm looking
I
at you.
can do it.
You can do it. Ah, no, you can't. I forgot to start my Relive app. So I just started it. I'll insert it here. This is a rock garden. Super cool. Looks like it's almost done blooming though. Little interesting inset. Landscape comes in many sizes. Yep. So it's showing you how you can do landscape in pots. And we'll keep on down the trail. Okay, we've been on the Naturescape trail. So right around the corner somewhere is another trail to the fireplace, the fire tower. There's the fire tower. And I think this is the path. Right around the corner, literally. Oh, this is Raccoon Run, is that correct? Raccoon Run is the yellow trail and it goes pretty far. But because my feet hurt, we're only gonna go up to the fire tower. Well, it's no distance to the fire tower. But look at this field of flowers. Yeah. Tower's right there. Oh, I don't know what that is. Something.
Gazebo overlook.
Yeah.
I don't know. You can watch the birds and whatever maybe.
Here's the tower.
Yes.
Cool. Awesomeness. We're gonna walk up as far as we're allowed to walk. Up, up and away.
They replaced all these with composite material.
Yeah, it's all much safer now.
Regular wood. You coming down?
Okay. Up, up, up and away. So wave. So how many did we come up? 3 or 4?
Yeah. I don't know. I didn't count.
And there's a beautiful meadow here. Yeah, it's got yellow flowers in it. You ready to go up?
Yes.
Go for it.
All right, here we go. There's a big bird flying right
Go,
through
go, go.
here.
I only got so much battery power. Well, that's awfully thin.
Yeah, it's very skinny.
We're still going up.
The ones above us are skinny.
I'm getting a view. Go for it.
Go for it. The birds are circling.
Yeah, you can't be afraid of heights up here. Those people are rather small down there. So this is our view up here. Whew. This is you up here.
Yeah, it's awesome. You want to come up here on this spot?
I'm walking slowly.
Yeah.
I have a fear of heights, but not a huge fear of heights. Like a natural fear. The trail goes right there. I see kids running. They got way too much energy. So it's a fire tower overlooking Jefferson City, I guess. There's the water tower. So you can see if Jefferson City's on fire.
You can see 3 water towers.
That breeze, it's 78 degrees out. And there's a fabulous breeze going on way up here. I love it. There's a tiny child reading. Oh, she's gonna come up here. So we are gonna go back down. There's another water tower, you're right. But going down for me is not as easy as coming up. That was 1, we were sitting there.
Yeah.
2, get ready to go down 3. Yeah, so we're headed down 4. We were up there. Going down number 5. Okay, getting ready to go down 6. Okay, and so 7 is the final one down.
Yeah.
So Rocky Mount Fire Tower that you see here at Runge Conservation Nature Center was the last structure at Rocky Mount, not the first. Cool. So this says the first structure built specifically for firefighting was a wooden tower staffed by Truman Hickman. Look at that. He's up in there. In 49, the tower standing before you was built. This has been here since 1949.
75 years.
75 years.
Should I tell them it's a 75-year-old tower?
Yeah, they might not want to walk up it. That's 75 years old.
Don't worry, it's made out of metal.
It's only 72 feet tall. It ain't that tall.
Yeah, like I said, try not to embarrass yourself with the camera at the top.
Well, go ahead. Tell me what's in this strange building.
I don't know, but the gentleman in the fire tower that was in the picture over there on the placard,
Yeah?
he was looking at this. This is a layout of the topographical layout.
Oh.
So he was orienting it to where he needed to view. If he thought of something, I guess, suspicious or whatever.
And line it up
And he can line it up, yeah.
with that thing over there.
Yeah, that's...
We was way up there.
A medley of flowers, if you will. This is going to be awesome in spring.
My impression of this place is that they have tons of examples and it's a great place to learn. And I would definitely walk further down the trail if my feet would have it. This tells about the tower being built. But I would come back here and walk these trails. More of them. I think it's an awesome place, actually.
Yeah.
I'm really impressed.
I agree.
Look at the cool fruit on this tree. Look at them. There's a ton of them. I don't know what it is, but it looks fun.